Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Fiat 500 hybrid. It's important to understand that these vehicles are designed to be self-charging, meaning you won't need to plug them into an external power source. The innovative mild hybrid system efficiently recharges its small battery automatically as you drive, primarily through a process called regenerative braking. This makes owning and operating your hybrid incredibly convenient and straightforward. Regenerative braking is key to how your Fiat 500 hybrid charges. When you lift your foot off the accelerator or apply the brakes, the electric motor reverses its function. Instead of propelling the car, it acts as a generator, converting kinetic energy from the slowing wheels into electricity. This recovered energy is then efficiently stored in the car's small lithium battery, ready for future use. To get the most out of your Fiat 500 hybrid's charging system, adopt a smooth driving style. Anticipate traffic and brake gradually, allowing the regenerative braking to work effectively and recover more energy. Utilizing engine braking, by lifting off the accelerator, also helps convert kinetic energy into electricity for the battery. These habits enhance efficiency and keep your battery topped up. Beyond charging, your Fiat 500 hybrid offers great benefits. You'll enjoy improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions, contributing to a greener drive. Plus, the regenerative braking system reduces wear on your traditional brake pads, potentially saving you on maintenance costs over time. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh. This mild hybrid system makes for a smart, economical, and environmentally conscious choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.